Create a photography and camera equipment e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next. And then you proceed to type in your password. So just give it a few seconds to load. And here, after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, you click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. And then you have another question. You do the same again. Choose the answer that fits you. Then you have a category. Then you have a list of categories. And you choose the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of photography and camera equipment. So I'm going to choose the tech products, so that's close to my niche. And if you can't find your niche in these categories, you can just go with other. Then you click on continue. After that, if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and then give it a second to build your store. Then you proceed to your dashboard. As you can see here, this is your dashboard. And here in your right, you have the edit site button, which take us to editing phase. And also we have the design now button, and it does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left, we have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of these sections and explain it for you. Starting with website, where we have the edit site button again, and then we have the domains button, where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or if you want to delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to create categories to organize your products or if you just want to create categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and so on. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders. You can see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings. Also you can set your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can see or you can check the site's traffic reports, the site's activity reports, the sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, and so on. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, you just go with summary. And that's it for this section. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, starting with email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, and setup. And again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, you just click on summary. And then we have the communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, you have the settings section, where you have the general settings. And it's basically where you can change your company name and also your address, your email, and your phone number. So here I will show you, just a sec for it to load. As you can see here, you can change your company name, your address, and your email, also your phone number. And then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your tax settings. And last, we have the units, where you can change the language, you can change the site's language, and also you can edit your units, the units that you have, as you can see in here. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase. So just click on edit site and give it from 15 seconds to 30 seconds to load. And as you can see, just a second while we build your site. And here we have the setup guide, as you can see. If you want to go with it, if not, just ignore it. It will disappear right now. And in the same time we will see the site styles, as you can see in here. So how it goes is we choose one of these styles and we check the template if it fits our template. Then we move on to the site design. So first let's just wait for the template to be fully loaded. As you can see in here, it's fully loaded now. Then we will choose one of these styles and we click on hide styles to check first if it fits our store. So I think this one fits me very good. Then you click on apply site styles, and after that you have the site design, as you can see here, if you want to change the style again. And here you have the logo, if you want to add an image to be your logo, if you want to change colors, and fonts if you want to change them, which I'm going to do. Let's change it to Comforta, this one, and let's make this one bigger. Let's leave it at 20 pixels like this. Then you click on done. After that, let's change the shape of the buttons. So here I'm going to change it to rounded, and for the images I'm going to leave it rounded. Then click on done. And here if you want to change or edit these elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free version to the paid one. And when you're done, you click on done. Then if you want to search for a domain name, you type in the domain name in here. If not, just close this one, dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section or a new one of these. And here you have the pages and the sections that you have in your template. If you want to delete one of them, hide it or show it or adjust it the way you want. So that's it guys for today's video. I just wanted to give you an idea about how this platform works. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.